Beside bugs and falling issues of shamrock plant, I just wanted to share a way with a simple plastic hook to keep the shamrock plant safe, and it will be also easy to move without hampering the plant pot. You need to follow two things to keep this safe, otherwise it could fall off and damage the plant. You need to find a possible edge of that pot which is strong enough to hold the teeth. It has to be well balanced as this is gonna be hanged for a long time. After clipping with plant holder of shamrock plant pot, let's keep the plant at a place where the lights are enough to grow well. So this is not end, but I will sure come back soon with a new video. Until this turn into a bushy hanged shamrock plant. Thanks for watching.